Salamat po. Magdikita na lang po kayo dyan. Tapos mag-leave kayo ng comments sa ano ni Mama Lu sa YouTube channel para mabalikan ko po kayo. Sim sa Facebook po. Please also give me a comment. Ano lang ako para makagawa ako ng mga highlight ko. Si Sangging Fi, kalami sa imong shakoy sis. Oo, maano lang yun sisi, madali lang. Si Sangging Fi, gusto kang aakyat? Si Sangging Fi, gusto ka aakyat? Si Sangging Fi, salamat sa ano ha, sa blessings. Thank you, thank you. Sis Marcy Yahoo from Si Sangging Fe. Shayama Garden Vlog. Hello, hello. Okay, watching your new upload, Shayama. Si Sangging Fe, halika sa Si Sangging Fe. Samahan mo ako. One day you have new upload, Sayama. Watching here. Next time pohon. Hindi mo na mukha akong dugyot, nag-floor walk. Okay sis. Salamat sis ha. Cooking with Safia, thank you. Dugay ni mahumuan ni akong giluto kay nag-live magkuan. Manguha lang kog mga i-highlight na ako. Guys, I'm going to make cheesy potato using the tater tots. Very simple recipe, but it's welcome host from Cooking with Safia. But it takes time because Mama Lu is double tasking. Thank you guys. Very simple recipe. The only thing that it's slowing me of this cooking are the onion and the garlic. For slicing the onion and garlic. Hi all friends from Shayama Garden. Otherwise, it's very simple. Easy recipe. You just have to bake it. Thank you. Thank you sa lahat. New vlogs, hello new vlogs. Thank you. I will also watch your new upload. I'm watching your link that you drop ads here. Watching Nilo's vlog. Cooking with Safia, thank you very much. Just a minute guys, I have to chop my garlic. I have to chop my garlic. This garlic is for our cheesy potato.